every Monday, the Govt of Telangana has decided to promote handlooms for all its employees. So our Minister for IT and Industries, KT Rama Rao garu, is from the constituency of Sirisilla, which is called the Handloom town. And from the last 2-3 years, we have been promoting handlooms not only in the government but also in the IT corridor. Hyderabad is known for its IT industry. We have more than 6.5 lakh employees working in the IT corridor, and we are the fastest growing IT city in the country. So we have been running these Handloom Melas for the last 2-3 years. Unfortunately, because of COVID, last year we took a small break, but now the employees are slowly getting back to offices. We are seeing a gradual rise in the number of employees going to offices. The work from office has risen from 2-3% to about 5%, and now it is close to 10%. We are expecting it to reach about 40 to 50% by the end of the year. So in this regard, IKEA is a very prominent landmark in the IT corridor, where most of the IT employees visit, and it has become very popular, and we have about 7,000 people visiting IKEA every Monday through Friday, and about 14,000 on the weekends. So as a tradition, on every Monday or first Monday of every month, we want to set up this handloom stall, and we really thank IKEA for agreeing to it. No other stall or no other product outside of IKEA has been here or is allowed here, and because of their sympathy or empathy towards the handloom weavers or weaver community, they have agreed to promote the handlooms in the IKEA store. And in the last 2-3 years, we have almost reached out to 2 lakh IT employees, and more than 1 crore of handloom merchandise has been sold in the IT corridors. So we also expect that this store will get enough footfall. You have some 2 beautiful shops here set up for selling handlooms, and we are hopeful that these will get enough traction on every Monday, first Monday of every month. We also request all the IT employees to visit this store and buy as many handlooms as you can. Handlooms look very pretty, very handsome, and also very comfortable for you. And once again, we thank, first of all, we want to thank the Facility Management Council led by Satya. He's been very instrumental in setting up this store, and also our Deputy CRO, Mr. Srinivas, has been working hard to promote this across all IT parks. This store at IKEA will be there every first Monday of every month. So once again, we request all the IT employees and all the people in this corridor to visit this store and to buy handlooms and encourage the weavers. Thank you.